and welcome to the Tech Learners YouTube channel. Today's in this session we will learn some Excel tips, tricks and formulas by calculating a salary sheet of some employees with the given data, and we have some conditions for calculating their salary, their allowances, taxes and the net salary. So let's start. We have some tips to learn in this session. These are cell address, cell reference, relative cell address or reference, or absolute cell address or absolute cell reference. These terminology I will clear inside the formula, inside the formulas, inside our Excel sheet, and I'm just defining this. Cell address means a particular cell address, like any location of the cell defined by row and column, like this cell is b3, this address, this is cell address. So cell address means a particular location like b3 means this is in the b column and third number of the row. This is cell address. Cell reference means if we use this address inside our formula is called cell reference. Relative means the relative cell reference is dynamic cell reference. Means if I am using some formula in this basic salary, this cell, and I am copying this cell in down below there. If I am copying the cells and changing the location of the cells in same formula, it means it's a relative. But if I fixed the cell address, like if I want to fix this address D3, where the data is in there placed, means if I fixed it with using dollar sign or pressing the F4 key, it will become a absolute cell address or reference. So this terminologies we will learn inside our formula and calculating, and we have some formula or functions that we will use inside our salary sheet calculation: sum, if, and, or, not. These are very basic functions or formulas used in Excel. So we have this data. Here we have 7 employees works inside the shop or supermarket, and we have given data only these data, and we have to calculate their basic salary, traveling allowance, daily allowance, tax and net salaries according to the given conditions, like basic salary, TA, DA, tax. So let's get started in the Excel sheet. So for basic salary we have the condition here: if the post is manager, if the manager is post or post is manager, the basic salary will be 45,900. If for supervisor, 31,400. For accountant, 28,300, and for sales, 26,500. We can directly input the salaries here according to the post we can see in this column. But if we have a number of numerous data and we have uh, to enter inside this, so we use only formulas. If we do not use formula, then putting the data inside one by one individually, it will lost so much time. So this is the beauty and this is the usefulness of the Excel sheet. So let's start it. Basic function, basic system, basic tip or knowledge we have to know inside the Excel sheet. Means when we use the formula inside Excel, we use is equal to sign. So is equal to, we will use the if function. If bracket started, here we can see it's a syntax also, logical test, value if true, if false. So we will also use or inside, because we have the multiple posts here: manager, supervisor, accountant, storekeeper, sales. Okay, so let's start logical test. If post means we don't have to write the post here, we have to give it a cell reference. We talked about it. We will just click on it because I put it all this data inside the table, so it is giving the name of the heading. So I'm undoing this and converting my data into our array. it will be better for us. So let's start it. If postage manager means E3 is the post data. If I click here, it will be wrong because here only post actual value of post is placed below the post header. So E3 is equal to, anytime every time we put formula, we have to know something about the data type. So we'll talk in the several other videos. If we are putting the formula and using the constant values or string values or letters or numbers or else than letters, we use a double quotation mark. This should be remembered in later for using our formula. So I will give here, if E3 is equal to manager braces, then if we have the, if the post is manager, then our salary will be, then here should be 45,000. What is the 45,900? So 45,900 should be salary. Okay. Okay, we can give inside the bracket, but we can put the data directly because it's a number data. So directly we can put here. But we have other also. We are copying the formula, so we will put here another if. If another if the manager is posted, then it will give the value. But there is other options. So if the same reference is equal to supervisor, then the salary will be, how much the salary will be? 31,400. So for supervisor 3,100, 400, 31,400. And we have also another if also, because we have another for accountant. If bracket started, the here in this column, any we are giving a one row, because if we change the post, salary will be updated automatically, is equal to, next one is accountant. Then our salary will be, accountant will receive 28,300, comma, we have storekeeper sales. Here is something for sales, not for storekeeper. So there isn't anything, any salary validation inside the or condition. So maybe let's give the storekeeper salary will be 31,300. Again another if. Don't afraid about this number of ifs. These are all testing the conditions. If this reference is equal to storekeeper, then the salary will be 31,300. Right? Yeah, 31,300, 26,500 for sale. And if this is equal to sales, then sales for sales 26,500. We can give directly else here without comparing this for sales. But if we have another one, we can put another condition or keep else, but we are not keeping the else. In the else, we will give 0 if except these post appear in this post section or misspell the post inside this column, the salary will be 0 in the basic. So we have to close all the brackets open. So one is already closed, another one, and last one. So just okay, we got the 45,500 because it's a manager. We are double clicking on it to put automatically here, or we can just drag by dragging the field handle on here. So all the our employees got the basic salaries. Similar way, let's calculate the tax traveling allowance. Traveling allowance will be 10% for manager, 8% for all others. So directly we can calculate here, is equal to, if we are fast charging, is equal to manager. This is not case sensitive. We can give the small case or large case, no problem. Manager, then basic salaries, how many percentage? Multiply by 10 divide by 100, or directly we can give 0.1 means 10%. So bracket not closing, comma, else again if for others, or else directly we can give basic salaries 0.08%. So let's close the bracket and hit enter. So it got the 10% upon traveling allowance, and these all other will receive how much? Only 8%. Daily allowances, what is the condition? Daily allowance 11%, 8.5%. Similar formula. So let's we can copy it. Control R means it is copying the formula here, filling the right. But we are using the relative cell reference we use because we put it here for manager post E2 E3, but it copied the reference relative cell reference and it provide the this for manager. It's wrong, so let's update it for it E3 manager, then basic salary in the F column. So 1%, not 1%, 0.11%, 11%, and it will be 0.85, means 8.5%. So daily allowance, just double click on it and they will got the money. Oh, Z3, not G3, it's a F3s, F3s, and we are double clicking on it. We receive the all everything. So tax calculation means if the net salary will be great above 7 lakh, will be liable for 15% or other for 1%. Let's calculate it. So first we can calculate the net salary, or we are calculating not net salary. Here is the condition wrong. Not net salary means total receiving, it means annual salary. So annual salary means adding the it's a TADA also. So let's calculate the tax. Tax means we are adding all these and multiplying by 12 because 12 month salary and 1 month bonus means it will be 13 months. So let's calculate is equal to plus this bracket close, there should be another bracket equal to greater than is equal to 7 lakh, then bracket close, start this plus this multiply by how many percentage, 15% means 0.15, else means is less than, we can give the else directly, else bracket start, first it should be at this plus this so 0.01 percentage for 1 month, and we will multiply also by 13. Let's close the bracket and hit enter. The tax will be 7,220. Or it might be wrong. Here we have to multiply by 13 and another bracket we need here. Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay, this is in the point because it's a 15%, it will deduct it. Obviously it is more than 7 lakh, it will receive more than 7 lakh with the TADA and everyone, it will pay the 15% 1 lakh 8,301 rupees. So let's calculate the net salary is equal to, net salary means we are adding these all these and minus this. So got the answer. No, we had it wrong. So here some bracket start, we are adding this bracket close, multiply by 13 months receiving, bracket close, we have to put another bracket here and minus this is annual tax, or we can calculate the monthly tax, is a similar thing. So bracket close, this all will receive the net salary in annual salary this amount. So if we are having problem with this, we will rounding up. So here's something zigzag, so we will calculate it. We calculate ADA in the monthly basis, and tax also should be monthly basis, means this is good, we will remove here the 30 number. Okay, monthly tax deduction, and we will minus tax. So manager will receive 47,208 rupees per month, and this is a tax deduction. This is their net salary after deduction and the allowances they will receive here. So thank you friend, thanks for watching. This is all, it's a long video, so we will, I hope you will all will enjoy it and learned something important uh, for your jobs, for your daily task about the Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.